Hello students, today we will learn our next topic. Food is necessary for growth. Every living organism need food for get the energy to live. So here also we have given that food is necessary for growth. Plants make their own food in sunlight. Plants produce food from water, nutrients in the soil and the carbon dioxide present in the air. This process takes place in the leaves of plants. It is brought about in the presence of sunlight with the help of the chlorophyll in the leaves. And this process of food production is called photosynthesis. Here we have given that is how plants are produce their food. Only the plants, that living organism, produce their own food, but the other animals, they are depend on another animal for their food. And plants, because of they are producing their own food, they are called producer also. And what is the process of that making food of the plants we have given here? Plants make their own food in sunlight. They are taking the help of sunlight, as well as they are absorb the water and nutrients from the soil, as well as they use carbon dioxide that present in the air. But this all process that is takes place in the leaves of the plants. It is brought about in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll that present in the plants. And it gives the color to the plants. Because of chlorophyll, plants we can see that is green in color. During this process, plants gives out oxygen. When they are producing their food, they are taking carbon dioxide from the air and releasing oxygen into the air. Plants appear mainly green in color due to the chlorophyll in them. I have already tell you that the plants, they have the green color because of the chlorophyll present in them. Here we have given the picture how the photosynthesis process occur in plants. And this process we can write like this also in short. In the presence of sunlight and plants, they are taking carbon dioxide from the air plus water absorbed from the soil, it produces their food, that is called glucose. It is also called the sugar. This is the food of the plants, and it releases the oxygen in the air. This photosynthesis process, its chemical reaction is like this, we can write 6CO2, that is carbon dioxide, plus water H2O, 6H2O, that is water. They are absorbed by the roots of the plants, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, we have written above and down the arrow, that is because this one not participate in this chemical reaction, but their presence is important in this reaction. That's why we have written above the arrow this sunlight and down the arrow chlorophyll. And those things are participating in chemical reaction, they are written like this. It gives the sugar, that is chemical formula of this glucose or sugar C6H12O6 plus 6O2, that oxygen is released into the air. And in short, by our own thinking, we can make like this definition of the photosynthesis process. Plants make their food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. This is about the plants we have given. Next, animals however do not have chlorophyll. They do not produce their own food. They search for food. Animals such as goat, sheep, horses eat grass, while wild animals such as tiger and lions meet their need for food by hunting other animals which live on plants. Only the plants, they are making their own food, but the other animals we have given, that is examples of that animals, goats, sheep, horses, they are eating grass, means they are depending on plants for their food, and the tigers and lions meet their need by the hunting other animals. Next, the intake of food and resultant growth is an important characteristic of living things. So here one of the characteristic of living thing we have given, that is the intake of food and resultant into growth. If any organism, we can see the growth in that organism, then that organism is living thing. So one of the characteristic of that living thing. Next, that is respiration. We will continue in our next video.